Karlitang tado bepia pansamelang sohara tumpen kachiki modun. Samson Singh ti college along freshers come social media jame kipadopon. Dongkamukam revenue circle office along land settlement advisory board me kangni. Wapong Teronarong along one-day football penalty sort-out tournament kipaman pon. Pai kuni ni pai ke, parni kang sampor pai trok malom, samelang suara datum cing room si, karbi alam marjan along nong nam kace thangklong ahon seri mate, ceparjan bang phi, karlitang tadu bepia paning duk ninglak par pik pen ciki modun. Alang lireng tiga kaya hot karbi alam marjan along ceparjan pen suri amuni dato apan aning kapang sam thegla pen ke pang nek thega bang phi, elit malong pen chom kace boy nang koki, karbi akhi apan isi ke the dung ka dekuk si, manlo bosit samelang so town committee vice chairman Gulab Kram pen ning jepon sonse alang likaya lamo than pen do anharada tum tami melur kai ponsi chikimo pon lapen alang likare jong chomrong me chomrong solong ning aronga jepen ke dudun long thekji aphan arna malong hirjume hang pidun samelang suben ranjan terang nang ki palya birta malong news Pai kuni ni pai kre siar ni nijangkari bianglong bo thatlang solong ke do Samson Singh ti college along Samson Singh ti college union bodia tumpen chepatir pi ponsi freshers come social media jai mek padupon bangso jai mek ke padupon ang koklake ningkan wangason thak si pining le thop setame bangso college along ke bang mika charlia bang phu bang phia to phan kang thum karnia jai mek si deng ponlu bangso jai mek along aluhia man pen Prabhat Chandra Taro em kari bianglong autonomous council ex board chairman Lipson B ex MLA Dr Mansing rong pipen chenglok ong dung ke thege dinga tum chetong dun rinti kebang mi lo charli ari sue jang atam phan karchu ponsi ke thege dinga tumpen ardi dojot alam anparta mesen pen charli ponsi akang to hin keng kam ka chijor ponji aphan tame ahir jumi pajir tekang bothat lang sopen khorsing tero nang ki palya birta malong news Nijangkar bianglong dongka muka malong kedo dongka revenue circle office along land settlement advisory board me ingni pon patu bangso me along kari bianglong autonomous council em Omar Singh Tiso em Rina Terangpi em Mongol Singh Timung MSc Hatsing rong parliament members kedo ana tum tame chetong dun sonse me along surihini sose vi form papas pondo conversation abang pak pharo phoso selapen school hai huya phanstame allotment piponlu em Omar Singh Tiso pen kaning je pon land record lapen PGR VGR record sitami bipa menangji lapen laposana me cheklo joni pen e phongke padu ponwer poputa melong cheparai pono satgaon pen digonto terang nangke palya birta malong news Paikuni ni pai kebarni chuki hola wapong terona rong along chuki hola sport club atum penci patiri pipon se arni sia farman one day football penalty shot out tournament paman pon bangso ke pathu ka chipati along kadu ka team cleaner ke bangbong chipati pon sonsang dung geti along chutiona football club la pen marjong football club bangbong chipati pon se chutiona FC atum 5-4 pen chipahai pon ke hai to phan trophy la pen tangka suri phol la pen adun thu ke hai runner up to phan trophy la pen tangka suri ke thamanong e George Rongpi in charge education board chairman ahin pensipi pajir pon chuki hola ben amir santerang nang ki palya birta malong news
pi that penalty shoot out labang so tournament da ko khong tournament lo ki pon total ke team kre near cap do pon ki hai pon non final lo ke sutiana a football club la pen runner saba bang ke marjong football club atum hello dat nili angbong si pachepate pon nonge la jitu ni cash money hai cash prize ke laga 5000 lapen with trophy lapen runner sab atum phan ke 3000 cash prize lapen trophy as a runner sab trophy la so penalty shoot out a tournament dong si kang to eng deng mate tungkar beng long adu pon pote ponji lai tum ni lip to habar pen ta pon po lapen dong ke bang journey da penalty shoot out a tournament la pudet kali tak itum neli bolong same football a tournament tame thetan bipon jipon si mat apono la neli bosor same la pen cricket no la sport a hin an bange anto se bang tang kon jipon si la mat apon
lagi cipai tim tum bange go kan pen to cipai pono ne
4-5 son bon penalty shoot out son si do tapi na pini bong so a tournament Sipati pibon labang kera go kong tornarong chukela sports club pudo labang so sports club to sipati pibon.
Nang litum kelang bom lake Malong News 24/7 hampang aparman klar da kabirta.